You just like put me down. Sorry. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the makeup that I created today. I used obviously blue eyeshadow, which is new for me, but I didn't really talk much in this video. It's mostly just going to be sped up with me doing my makeup, but all the products I use will be in the description box below. I always list everything. So, yeah, this is my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video. Tell me. Let's start this video. Alright, let's get this party started. I think I'm gonna do like blue colors today. Never used blue before. Really, actually, lie. Yeah, I have. Really, really like this color. I think I'm just gonna not think about it and just do it. Because when I think about it too much, I just overthink it, and then it just doesn't go how I want it to. So I'm just gonna do it, you know what I mean? My sponge is damp. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Fresh Wear Foundation. This brush is from Ulta. It's the face concealer brush. And I put on here because I feel like when I put it directly on here and then put this on my face, it stains my sponge. So I'm just gonna apply this directly like this. And then use my sponge and blend that out. My cat's making weird noises. Foundation is fully blended out. Still have this sit here. I honestly don't know if it's ever gonna go away. I think it just wants to stay on my face. Next step is brows. Using my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. Infallible Full Wear Concealer to prime my lids and to outline my eyebrows. On my eyelids, I'm going to add some translucent powder on top of that, like this Wet n Wild crease brush. Dip into my Fenty Beauty Invismatte blotting powder and just set my eyeballs. Okay, I dip into this shade called Platonic right here in the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. little like pressed powder shade. This one in the shade Take the Lead. No turning back. I'm applying the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Banana Daiquiri. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here, right there, and this is the NYX Brights palette, the Ultimate Brights palette. Dipping back into the full spectrum, the Urban Decay full spectrum in this shade right here, like the gray black shade. So I'm gonna take some MAC Fix Plus and I'm gonna spray it in this shade called Iced. This palette is so bulky, like it feels so heavy to lift. I'm gonna spray it in this shade here. I think it'll be very subtle. It's very subtle, but I actually like it. I like that it's subtle. I actually really like this color. It's very out of my comfort zone. Once again, my last tutorial I did green, now I'm doing blue. I'll do pink tomorrow, who knows? Maybe I'll do yellow. Now I'm gonna conceal under my eye my Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Eraser, Dark Circle Eraser from Maybelline. Can I speak today? Oh wait, shit, I forgot to put eyeliner on. What am I doing? I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. I sprayed my MAC Fix Plus in this dark shade, the Platonic, and I'm gonna use it as like a really thin eyeliner. My other concealer, you know. Next, we are going to put some under eye powder on first because I don't want it to crease. Use my e.l.f. under eye powder. I would use this brush, but I just washed them. They're not dry. That's not dry. This is dry. So I'm going to use my Forever 21 face brush. And I'm going to go into my MAC Studio Fix foundation, powder foundation. So I'm going to go in with that Platonic shade again and put it under my eye. Alright, next is bronzer. I'm going to go into my Who Look bronzer first. I'm going to probably use another bronzer after this, but I'm going to start off with this one. Some Colourpop bronzer. This is more of like a contour shade, but I like to use it as bronzer. Blush, not too much because I do have blue eyeshadow on, so I don't want it to be like blue and then pink. Just very subtle. So I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Coloricon blush in the shade Apricot in the Middle. This is more of like a peachy shade. So with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Put some brow gel on, because I always forget. Now let's curl my lashes. So I'm going to go with my Joa Eye Scream. Sounds like ice cream. I like that. Play on words. Mascara. Whoa. Now I'm going to apply falsies. I'm going to go ahead with my Ardell natural lashes. I love these lashes so much. They're just so good, you know what I mean? Alright, I will be right back with my lashes on. Alright, so lashes are on. Put my bottom mascara on with the same mascara. Add some lip gloss. The best lip gloss. Like, I just love this stuff so much. I have 10 of them everywhere. There's one in my car, there's one in my purse, there's one right here, and there's one right there. There's one, they're everywhere. Lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of Coty Airspun powder. Alright, change my outfit. Dust off this powder. I have another special guest come in my video. Look who we have here. Oh, it's a Tommy. Are you saying hi? Alright guys, this is the finished look. I know I didn't talk very much. I was just really in the zone and really feeling it, you know? I really get lost in doing makeup all the time. Like, I just can do it for hours. I can just sit here and just do my makeup. It's great. I love it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!